time for Uploaders Alert!
Yes. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it so much. Yes, thank you.
Well, guys, so we have an upload right now, and we're going to watch it. So let's see what it's about.
Yeah, I know. We're just waiting for them to, upload stuff for the
Let's check
Uploaders
it out.
Alert.
Check it out, Gab. Woo!
Thank you. I love you. I love you.
Hi, Gab and Mitch. I'm Casey, and this is my first year in high school. I can't decide which club I should sign up for. I need your advice. I want to be a part of the Glee Club, but I also like to join the Poetry Club. Sadly, I only have to choose one. I love singing, and ever since I was a kid, my mom encouraged me to join singing contests. But I also want to improve my skills in writing. Lately, I've been reading these poem collections in our library, and I was inspired by how the authors express what they see and experience in a very creative way. And most of my friends decided to join the Poetry Club. What should I choose? Thanks, Gab and Mitch.
Thank you so much. We love you. Hey guys, now before our break, our uploader Casey, a first-year high school student, shared with us her dilemma between choosing Glee Club or Poetry Club.
According to her, she loves singing ever since she was a kid and has a born talent for it. But on the other hand, she'd also like to sign up for something which interests her lately, which is poetry. What do you think, Gab?
If I were you, Casey, I would choose, let's see, I'd say singing. Well, technically, it's just because you do good at it, It's something that you do best. And what could be better in life than for you to do what you do best? Isn't that downright, Mitch?
I don't think so, darling. Well, if I were in that situation, I think it's better if you try to take on a little challenge by trying something new. Try to step out of your comfort zone to discover and hone new skills.
No. Don't push yourself into something you can't do, Casey. Casey, that's why you should choose the Glee Club.
Why be afraid to try, Casey? You've mentioned that your friends are signing up for poetry, right? I'm sure you will have a wonderful time learning something new with them.
Glee Club. Hi, Casey. Mitch and I came up with a solution that we think that you should make a journal. In your journal, you can write your thoughts, your emotions, poems, or songs, or simply just anything that comes to your mind.
And try to jot down the pros and cons of both clubs. With this, you can start comparing the advantages and disadvantages of each club. Then from there on, you can decide. That may also help you practice your flair for writing. Writing a journal can help you come up with the right decision. With it, you could go through your ideas and organize your thoughts, then reflect on them at the end of the day. You can also map out and consider the consequences that may go along with your actions before coming up with your final decision. Page 1 captures the story while the action is fresh. Page 2 helps identify one's strengths and weaknesses. Page 3 stimulates thought and encourages engagement and reflection. Page 4 allows us to look at ourselves, our feelings, and our actions in a different way.
All of those blank pages staring at you? Where do you start? Today, I am grateful for. Right now, I am feeling 3 things I know to be true are... Here are some journaling ideas if you ever get stuck on a blank page. Start with a quote that provokes thought. Write about an image you saw. Write about your feelings on a certain event, idea, or person. Blank page still making you hesitate? Fill it up. Paste in a copy of an email, letter, or newspaper clipping. Write the lyrics of your favorite song or poem. Sketch, doodle, stamp, collage. Write how you really feel and not how you think you should feel. Record what you really think, not what you believe you ought to think.